Berkibarlah bendera negeriku, berkibarlah engkau di dadaku, tunjukkanlah kepada dunia semangatmu yang panas membara.
Indonesia is a wonderland. Happy Independence Day for Indonesia. I wish Indonesia can be the great country in the world. Freedom Indonesia.
Makna kemerdekaan bagi saya adalah bagaimana mengimplementasikan suatu ide dan gagasan ke dalam mahakarya. Dan karya itu adalah Kampung Inggris Tempirai. Kampung Inggris Tempirai lahir dari orang-orang yang merdeka, bebas berkarya, bebas berkreasi sebagai wujud dan simbol dalam mensukseskan program wajib belajar. Merdeka! Merdeka! Merdeka!
Hello, my name is Ahmad Daniel. You may call me Mr. Daniel. I am a secretary of Kampung Inggris Tempirai. So today, I'd like to tell you what is Independence Day based on my arguments if it refers to Merdeka Belajar program by Government of Indonesia. Independence Day in the Merdeka Belajar program symbolizes freedom in education. It includes curriculum flexibility, teacher creativity, student empowerment, and diverse evaluation methods. All parties can develop according to their potential and their creativity. Thank you. The last, I want to say Happy 79th Independence Day of Republic of Indonesia. Merdeka!
Hi, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Risma, as a treasurer at Abri English Course, and I'm from Tempirai Village. Freedom for me is when I'm able to manage finances flexibly, innovatively, and oriented towards individual and community needs. This involves adapting to change development. In this way, as a financial manager who apply to Merdeka Belajar Council, I will better prepared to face challenges, provide added value to the organization, and contribute to development. For me, free is the most beautiful blessing that ever I got. Thank you and see you.
Hello everyone, I am Yuki, a tutor of Kampung Inggris Tempirai, Bali. In this special occasion, let me tell you about independent, especially for independent learning. What is independent learning? Independent learning is an educational concept for students to develop their potential and interests optimally. The essence of independent learning is to treat students as active object in learning process. So they have their freedom to choose learning method, determine learning goal, and develop their creativity. Happy 79th anniversary of Indonesia Independence Day. Freedom.
Merdeka Belajar adalah pendidikan yang menyenangkan, yang menginspirasi, akan tetapi bukan Merdeka Belajar itu tanpa acuan, tanpa kurikulum, tanpa dasar. Jadi Merdeka Belajar itu guru adalah sebagai fasilitator yang menginspirasi bagi anak didiknya.
From nothing, do something. My name is Mr. Handoko. As a tutor of Kampung Inggris Tempirai, Bali, Independence Day is not talking about free from fight, but right now we must talk about independence learning. Teaching and learning is a process of humanizing humans, so it must liberate humans and all of the aspects, both physically, mentally, bodily, and spiritual. Freedom, Indonesia.
Hello everyone, I am Deja, one of tutor in ABRI English course. Independent for me is a freedom to express ourselves, to pursue our dreams, and to opportunity to build a better future for our nation. In this world, of course, everyone needs a freedom. If we get a freedom, we can learn something without getting any cursion. Okay, that's all from me.
Hello, my name is Iman Utama. I am a tutor in AEC in base camp Talangubi. Independence, in my opinion, is when you finally conquer thoughts and barriers that have been enslaving or preventing you to educate and improve yourself.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Iit Adhariski. I am from Kampung Inggris Tempirai, Bali. In here, I want to tell you about what is independence for me. For me, independence is when we are free from colonial and control from the other people, where we are free to act according to what we want. And also, I don't forget to have an opinion about what is freedom in learning means. Freedom to learn is when we can search knowledge whenever we want without pressure from anyone. And also, we are free to express our opinion without afraid of threat from others. That's all my opinion about independence.
Hello guys, my name is James. I am a part of Kampung Inggris Tempirai, Bali. For me, freedom to learn is a concept that very relevant current condition in Indonesia. This concept offers hope for the future Indonesian education and has potential to produce a younger generation that is very qualified and able to face future challenges. Thank you.
Anyone can be anything. I am Winda, as a tutor of ABRI English course. Independent Day for me is a student who has the freedom to think critically and explore ideas without any obstacles, because education is a human right. Freedom, Indonesia.
Hello guys, I am Ejal Farizi. I am one of the tutor in Kampung Inggris Tempirai, Bali, and now I'm going to tell you about my opinion about independence. For me, independent in education side is when we can get knowledge maximally with a good method and good facility without any differences between village and city. So we will be easier to increase our education overall and nationally. I am Ejal Farizi. Thank you.
Okay, good morning all. I am Hendra Wansa. I am usually called Hendra. Okay, actually I am from originally Tempirai village, and I am right now in transmigration of Tempirai village. And actually, in this video, I would like to give my opinion about Independence Day. Okay, in my opinion, Independence Day is when we are free from anything. Like the example, we are free from colonials. But I think, in my opinion, not only about colonials, but also about economy and government. And the second, I would like to give my opinion about independence to learn. In my opinion, independence to learn is when we can get knowledge everywhere, everyone. And also, the student can get knowledge from the teacher, and the teacher can understand about the student condition. And also, the student can express their emotional. And I think that's all from me. The last I say, Indonesia maju.
Hi, my name is Aziza. I'm from Base Camp Penungkal. I think Independence Day is so important and wisdom to me because students can study in a relaxed way and explore many things. And Independence Day also educates and inspired me to make difference in the world. I think enough.
My name is Riden Werianti and I am one of tutor in Kampung Inggris Tempirai Pali. So I would like to tell you my opinion about independence, especially independence learning. The first independence learning gives a freedom for students to choose what they like to study, like the method and the material, so the teacher can adjust what the student wants. So independence learning can make Indonesian students be better students and not only focusing on one part of learning, but even on what skill and talents that the student have. Thank you. I am Rin.
Hello everyone. Good night. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Rafi Diransa. I am from Tempirai village. I am 14 years old. I study at Junior High School number 4 in Bungkal Utara, and I am a student of Abri English course. Now I will tell you about what is the meaning of learning to learn. Okay guys, freedom to learn is an effort to have freedom of thought and expression. Apart from that, example, independent learning, independent serving, and independent change. After that, and also freedom in learning, students have the freedom to think and express themselves. So that doesn't mean if there is a student don't need to study anymore. That's all from me. I am so sorry because I have mistakes. Only God.
I am PR Hartiwadana as a tutor of Kampung Inggris Tempirai Pali. For me, freedom to learn is in line with the spirit of inclusive education. So, freedom to learn is not learning everything by yourself. Without references, without creativity, that is not it. But freedom to learn is a form of implementation of the values that shape national character, starting improving the education system and learning the methods. The last I say.
Hello everyone, I am Trisha Trisno. Now what is freedom to learn? Freedom to learn is when we study about what we interest, not only the lesson that we got from the school, and then the character development, and then the curriculum must adjust our current development right now. For example, technology. Okay, in the example, in the past we only study from the books, and now we can study from videos or educational games and in the internet. And for the future, I believe that we can study more by advanced technology because the technology can bring us better. So please, or let's support the freedom to learn. Independence Day.
Hello everyone, I would like to express my opinion about Independence Day. To me, Independence Day means the freedom to study and explore new things. It's about having a chance to study what I love and grow my knowledge without limits. As we celebrate Indonesia's 79th Independence Day, let's honor our freedom by supporting education for all. Happy Independence Day, Indonesia!
I am Nova, who is a tutor of Kampung Inggris Tempirai Pali. Independent learning for me is when we have the freedom freedom to express our opinion and also the freedom to make our own choices. The example now, freedom to pursue education in university or another school that you want. I think only that's all from me. The last I say was
Hello everyone, it's me, Memen Lawisfri. What is Independence Day? Independence Day is a justice for everyone in every place. No matter that you are rich people or poor people, no matter you are bad-looking people or good-looking people, we have same chance to get our dream. We have same chance to express our opinion. Okay everyone, justice for everybody. Happy Independence Day.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Rahul. You can call me Rahul. I'm a tutor of AEC. In this case, I'm gonna tell you about what is Independence Day in the context independence learning from my point of view. Independence learning means that when we can choose the method and also the materials from ourselves, there's no any pressure, there's no any someone push us to learn it. We learn it because we love it. It's one of independence learning. And also the second one is when we have a time, a flexible time and also a place. From my point of view, when we can learn everywhere, everywhere and anywhere is one of independence learning. Because I remember the quotes that every place is a school and everyone is a teacher. I think that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ara Putri Anjani. I am as one of speaking partner in Kampung Inggris Tempirai. Right now I am 12 years old. My dream is I want to be a businesswoman. I will give my opinion about independent learning. For me, independent learning is a good program for many students. The advantages of independent learning are increased student creativity, increased student motivation to learn, increased student participation in learning, and teachers can choose the right method. But every time, there are advantages and there are definitely disadvantages. The disadvantages of independent learning are teacher unpreparedness, lack of independent learning training, and less than optimal learning system. The conclusion of independent learning is an approach taken so the pupils and students can choose the subjects they are interested in. That's all from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to introduce myself. My name is Irfan Syah. I am one of student college of Sriwijaya State Polytechnic. I am as a founder of Kampung Digital ID Tampali and as part of Kampung Inggris Tempirai Pali. I would like to give my opinion about Merdeka Belajar. In my opinion, independence is not just about being free from colonization, but also about the freedom to learn and grow. I believe that every individual has the right to access knowledge without limits, to explore their potential, and to achieve their dream. With the spirit of independence, let us take advantage of this learning opportunity to build a brighter future. Education is the path to true independence, so let us celebrate freedom with free learning. Merdeka Belajar, independence in learning, freedom in creating. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Aidul Adaha, as a tutor of ABRI English course. For me, independence learning is an approach taken so that pupils and students can choose the subjects they are interested in. This is done so that pupils and students can optimize their talents and can make the best contribution in working for the nation. I think that's all from me.
Hello, the extraordinary people. Welcome back with me. I am Abadi Gardana Pratama, and I am one of member at ABRI English course. Today's statement is Independence Day learning. When it comes, teaching and learning activity is one of many things for all of teachers to have great methods to keep teaching all of the students in order that they will be able to learn everything in happy circumstance. And as a teacher, we have high intention to make our students to be much better and stronger, and even they will be able to show their integrity self. And that's all from me, and I would like to say thank you for all of your attendance.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky Akbar. I am from Tempirai Village and I am one of tutor in Kampung Inggris Tempirai. So, my opinions about independence learning is independence learning gives a right for students to speak up, and also give an opinion to the teacher, and also can choose what they like what skill they want to develop and what material they would like to study. And that's it.
Hello everyone, my name is Diana Putri. For me, Independence Day is a freedom which is given a student for implementing ideas, skill, and change, which has been to be themselves without any pressure. That's all from me.
Hello everyone, my name is Putri. For me, Independence Day is a national celebration that commemorates the struggle of Indonesian heroes for the independence of Indonesia. Diversity is a reason to celebrate because we are Indonesia. And I wanna say, Happy Independence Day!
We are from Kampung Inggris Tempirai Valley.
Mengucapkan
Happy Independence Day. Come to the right place to meet the right people.
Where are we from?
We are from Kampung Inggris Tempirai Valley. Come to the right place to meet the right people.
We would like to say Happy Independence Day Indonesia.
We are from Kampung Inggris Tempirai Valley. Come to the right place to meet the right people.
We are saying Happy Independence Day, Freedom Indonesia. Where are you from?
We are from Kampung Inggris Tempirai Valley. Camp Palembang mengucapkan Happy Independence Day Indonesia.